Hello, I'm Youssef Nadiri. I'm product manager of AGI Solutions and more generally Smart Cities and Smart Spaces Solutions at PNY Technologies.
This is the first time you joined Embedded World, or how many times before?
This is the second time I've been in Embedded World. But this is the first time that we have a booth.
I see. How do you feel for this first day at Embedded World?
Well, it's always nice to be here because it's like it's the main event worldwide for embedded technology. And since many of our solutions that are based on JSON modules from NVIDIA, so I think it's a good place to be for us and also for our partners.
Are you very overwhelmed with so many people coming to talk to you about cooperation?
Yeah, it's always overwhelming to be able to talk about such trendy technology. We know that it will be the future to have AI at the edge, and it's very interesting to try to talk to the different customers, different prospects, and to try to have this discussion about use cases and how AGI can step in and bring business value to our partners.
Speaking of the trending technology, I think generative AI has been the buzzword for the past few months. What do you think about it?
I think generative AI is the biggest trend that we have actually, and everybody talks about generative AI.
Yeah.
Of course, it will bring a lot of value because it enables organizations to be more efficient and also to use the data that they have created for so many years. So today, thanks to generative AI, organizations, they can use the data that they have created for long years and try to get very quick insights from it, and even expertise, and help to accelerate all the operations at all the business levels.
And I think this is great that we are in the right track of this emerging technology and adopt it in the real world application. So we have been communicating for a while about the cooperation between PNY and Seed. Can you say a few words about the partnership?
Yeah, we're very glad to have this partnership with Seed Studio. It's a very interesting partners because they have this very close relationship with developers and also with technology. They move fast as the technology moves, and they have a very interesting offerings, especially in AGI. And we thought that it would be very interesting to have Seed Studio included in our offering.
Thank you so much.
No problem.